Hi everyone, today, we're going to be talking about 25 ways to save money on makeup and beauty products. Whether you're just starting to build your makeup collection or you're a seasoned beauty enthusiast, these tips are sure to help you save some money. One of the easiest ways to save money on beauty products is to shop during sales and clearance racks. Stores like Sephora and Ulta often have promotions and discounts on beauty products that you can take advantage of. Another way to save money is by using discount codes. Many beauty brands offer discounts for first-time customers or for signing up for their email list. You can also find discount codes online or through your favorite influencer that you can use at checkout. If you use a specific product regularly, consider buying it in bulk. You can save money by buying larger sizes of products like shampoo, conditioner and even makeup. Many brands offer larger sizes of their popular products at a lower cost per ounce, making it more cost-effective in the long run. Additionally, many brands also offer value sets or gift sets that include multiple products at a discounted price. These sets are a great option if you use a variety of products or if you want to try a new brand without committing to full-sized products. Just be sure to compare the cost of the set with the cost of buying each item separately, to make sure that you're actually getting a good deal. By taking advantage of these bulk and value options, you can save money and still have all the products you need to look and feel your best. Subscribing to monthly beauty boxes is a great way to try new products without breaking the bank. You can choose from a variety of subscription options, and each month you'll receive a box filled with samples of new and popular beauty products. High-end beauty products can be expensive, but you can still find quality products at a fraction of the cost by checking out drugstore brands. Brands like Maybelline, L'Oreal, and CoverGirl have some of the best drugstore beauty products on the market. Drugstore beauty brands can offer high-quality products at a fraction of the cost of luxury or high-end brands. These brands often produce similar products to those found at higher-end retailers, but they're sold at a lower price point. Don't be afraid to try out different drugstore brands and compare them to their higher-end counterparts. You might be surprised to find that the drugstore option works just as well, if not better, and can save you a significant amount of money. Additionally, many drugstore brands also offer sales, coupons, and discounts, making it even easier to save money on your beauty purchases. So next time you're looking for a new beauty product, consider checking out the drugstore options and see if they have what you need at a more affordable price. Another way to save money on makeup and beauty products is by shopping at discount stores or online marketplaces. These stores often sell products at a lower price point than traditional beauty retailers and can be a great way to find products that you love at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, online marketplaces can be a good source for finding discontinued or hard-to-find products at a discounted price. Just be sure to check the seller's ratings and reviews before making a purchase to ensure that you're getting a quality product. By shopping at discount stores and online marketplaces, you can find great deals on beauty products and keep more money in your wallet. To save money on makeup, look for multi-use products that can be used in different ways. For example, a cream blush can be used as a lip color, or a highlighter can be used as an eyeshadow. Multi-use products are a great way to save money on makeup and beauty products. These products are designed to serve multiple purposes, making them more versatile and cost-effective. For example, a tinted moisturizer with SPF can serve as both your moisturizer and your sunscreen, while a lip and cheek tint can be used on both your lips and cheeks. By using multi-use products, you can reduce the number of products you need to purchase, which can result in a significant savings over time. Additionally, multi-use products are often more convenient, as they reduce the amount of time and effort you need to put into your beauty routine. So next time you're shopping for beauty products, consider looking for multi-use options that will save you money and simplify your routine. Homemade beauty products can be just as effective as store-bought ones, and they're often much cheaper. Try making your own face masks, scrubs, or even your own makeup remover. Homemade beauty products can save you money while also allowing you to customize products to suit your specific needs. These products are often made with simple, natural ingredients that can be easily found at home or at a local grocery store. For example, you can make your own face masks using ingredients such as honey, yogurt, or avocado, which are gentle on your skin and much less expensive than store-bought masks. You can also make your own body scrubs using ingredients such as sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils. These homemade products not only save you money, but they're also often more natural than store-bought products. So if you're looking to save money and take control of the ingredients in your beauty products, try making your own beauty products at home. One of the biggest ways to save money on beauty products is to only buy what you actually need. Don't be tempted by all the new and shiny products on the market, stick to the essentials that you use regularly. Before committing to a full-sized product, try using sample sizes first. Many beauty stores offer samples of their products and you can also find sample sizes online. Using sample sizes is a great way to try out new products before committing to a full-size purchase. Many beauty retailers offer samples of their products for a fraction of the cost of a full-size product, making it an affordable way to test out a new product. This can be especially useful when trying out a new foundation or skincare product, as these products can be expensive and it's important to find the right one that works well with your skin type. Additionally, sample sizes are often travel-friendly, making it easy to take your favorite products with you on the go. Look for dupes. A dupe is a product that is similar in formula, packaging, and appearance to a more expensive product, but is sold at a lower price point. Looking for dupes is a great way to save money on beauty products, as you can often find products that are just as good as their more expensive counterparts. To find dupes, you can do online research, read reviews, and ask for recommendations from friends or on beauty forums. By finding dupes, you can save money and still enjoy high-quality products. Just be aware that not all dupes are created equal, so be sure to do your research and read reviews before making a purchase to ensure that you're getting a product that works well for you. If you have basic makeup skills, consider making your own makeup. You can find tutorials online for making your own eyeshadow, lipstick, and even foundation. Making your own beauty products can save you a significant amount of money and also allow you to customize products to suit your specific needs. For example, you can make your own face masks using ingredients such as honey, yogurt, or avocado, which are readily available and much less expensive than store-bought masks. Additionally, you can make your own body scrubs using ingredients such as sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils. These homemade products are not only budget-friendly, but they're also gentle on your skin and often more natural than store-bought products. So if you're looking for a way to save money and take control of the ingredients in your beauty products, try making your own products at home. Using a makeup primer can make your makeup last longer, so you won't have to reapply as often. This can help you save money in the long run, since you won't have to replace your makeup as often. High-quality makeup brushes can make all the difference when applying makeup. Investing in a set of good brushes will not only give you a flawless finish, but it will also make your makeup last longer. Using less product is a simple and effective way to save money on makeup and beauty products. Often, we use more product than we actually need, which not only wastes the product, but also wastes money. When applying foundation, concealer, or other makeup products, start with a small amount and build up as needed. For skincare products, such as moisturizers or serums, use a small amount and gently massage into your skin. Over time, you may find that you need less product to achieve the desired results, which can result in a significant savings. So next time you're applying your beauty products, remember to use less and you may be surprised at how much money you can save. Avoid impulse buys by making a list of the products you need before you go shopping. Stick to your list, and resist the temptation to add more items to your cart. If you shop at a specific beauty store regularly, consider signing up for their loyalty program. You can earn points and rewards for your purchases, and sometimes receive exclusive discounts. Another way to save money on beauty products is by using coupons. You can find coupons in the Sunday newspaper or online. Just make sure to read the fine print to see if there are any restrictions. Using a cashback app is a great way to save money on your makeup and beauty purchases. With these apps, you can earn cashback or rewards on your purchases at hundreds of online retailers, including many beauty and makeup retailers. Simply link your credit or debit card to the app, and then make your purchases through the app at participating retailers. The cashback or rewards will automatically be credited to your account. Waiting for special holiday offers is a great way to save money on your makeup and beauty purchases. Holidays such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas are popular times for retailers to offer discounts and promotions on their products, including makeup and beauty products. By waiting for these holidays, you can save big on the products you want and need. Keep an eye out for sales and special offers in the weeks leading up to the holiday, and make a list of the products you want to purchase. Using a makeup setting spray is an excellent way to extend the wear time of your makeup. A makeup setting spray is a lightweight mist that is applied over your finished makeup look to help set it in place and prevent smudging, creasing, and fading. The spray creates a barrier that locks in your makeup and helps it last longer, even through heat, humidity, and activity. Consider purchasing refillable products as a way to save money on your makeup and beauty purchases. Refillable products, such as refillable makeup palettes, reusable containers, and refillable compacts, are designed to be used again and again, reducing the amount of waste you produce and saving you money in the long run. Instead of purchasing a new product each time you run out, simply buy a refill for your existing container. This not only saves you money, but it's also more environmentally friendly. Using a makeup remover cloth instead of wipes can help you save money on your beauty routine. Makeup remover cloths are reusable, eco-friendly alternatives to disposable makeup wipes. The cloths are made from soft, gentle materials that effectively remove makeup, dirt, and oil without irritating your skin. After use, simply toss the cloth in the wash, and it's ready to be used again. Makeup remover cloths can be used for several months, and even years, depending on how often you use them, making them a more cost-effective option compared to constantly purchasing disposable wipes. By switching to a makeup remover cloth, you'll not only save money, but also reduce waste and support a more sustainable beauty routine. Using a setting powder can help extend the wear time of your makeup. Setting powder is a fine, translucent powder that is applied over your liquid or cream-based products to help set and lock in your makeup. The powder helps to absorb excess oil and prevent shine, reducing the likelihood of your makeup sliding or creasing. It also provides a matte finish, giving your skin a smooth, flawless look that lasts all day. Bonus tip: take care of your skin so that you don't have to wear as much makeup. Taking care of your skin is an important step in reducing the amount of makeup you need to wear. A healthy, well-cared-for complexion will not only look better, but it will also make your makeup go on smoother and last longer. Here are a few tips for taking care of your skin. 1. Cleansing your skin twice a day with a gentle cleanser can help remove dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog your pores and cause breakouts. 2. Moisturizing your skin helps to keep it hydrated and soft, reducing the need for heavy makeup application. 3. Protecting your skin from the sun can help prevent damage and aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. 4. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help nourish your skin from the inside out. 5. Getting enough sleep can help reduce dark circles and puffiness, giving you a refreshed and revitalized look. 6. Regular exercise can help improve circulation and bring oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving it a healthy glow. By taking care of your skin and making these habits a part of your routine, you'll find that you need less makeup to achieve the look you want. Your skin will look and feel healthier, making you look and feel beautiful, both inside and out. Remember, a little bit of research and creativity can go a long way when it comes to finding affordable beauty products that work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving beauty tips. If you have any tips of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.